Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, September the 14th, 15th, 2024. It's today, Saturday. And in this puzzle page, we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have here two binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, 2 Sudokus, one with 2 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last one is a killer Sudoku. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, otherwise it's too much for me. And I've already solved one puzzle this afternoon. So let me start with this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number. By the way, in this newspaper, the weekend edition, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, and in the evening I will do the samurai Sudoku. Alright, first one in this puzzle page will be number 924, correction 74. 9274. Okay, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 27 printed digits. It's usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place level 8. Should be there. Can I continue with 8? No. Well, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8. How about? Need a 6 here. How about 5, 4, 6, 7? I need a 7 there also. Yeah. 4, 4. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 5 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. Okay. Need a 1 there. Come on. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. How about need a 2 there? Well, seems like I'm stuck here. 4, 7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 5, about here. 4, 7, need those 2 numbers. Need those numbers for here. Should be the 1 there. Need a 1 there, okay. 7. Yeah. I need a 2 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column now, only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, okay. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about, need a 6 here. Need a 9. Need a 6 there. 1 here. Ay. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 4, 5. I need pairs. 1. 8. I need a 6 here. I need a 6 there. Need 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay, come on. Need a 4 here. Well, seems like I'm stuck here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 2 in the middle column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 in these 3 marks. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 9, the 1, and the 2 is missing. 9, 1, 2. Okay. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left with 3. Should be there. 3 need a 3 there, and I need a 3 here. Okay. Come on. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. That means the other 3 missing numbers should be 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. The 4, the 5, need a 6. We have 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 6 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 6 and 4, 1, 2, 9. That means 1 digit left in this column. I believe that 6, 7, 8 is missing here. Wow, the 8. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have a 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and all the 8s are used. I can see digital 1, number 8. Okay, 1 to 9. How about 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. 2 is missing. 1 is missing. Yeah, in this row we need a 1. Well, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left. 2 and a 9, okay. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay. Well, 9, 9, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left, and 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Need a 9 there. Okay, 9. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left, 4, it should be there. 4, wait, 4, need a 4 here. Cannot continue with 4, 4, 4, okay. But 1, nope. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers to 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2, 9, 2, 9. Well, let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, other numbers to 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here we have a pair. The other pair here should be the 2 and a 9. Okay. So need a 1 here, 2, 3, 4. Need a 7 here. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 3 and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So we need a 3 here. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 9. Okay. Here 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. I need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Well. No. 6, how about here? 1, 9 and 2 is missing. 1, 9 and 2. 1, 9 and 2. Here can be 9. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So this should be the 1 and the 2. Okay. 1, 5, 1, 5, and I need a number here, the 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. So 1, 5, and 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here. Could be there. Right. Last part. Difficult part. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 could be here, could be there. How about the 6? Yeah, 6 in this column. Third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, there are only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and I've eliminated there the 4. So the 4 goes there. Need a 4 here, this 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the only 3 places left, the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left, the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, so the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 9. Okay, we have a pair here, and here also a pair. Here also 2 and a 9. That means here should be also 2, and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this column, so this can be 9 and more. This box should be a 2. Here should be the 9. And 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Again, we have a pair here, but we have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Then 2 to 9, 2 to 9. How about this? These 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 are missing here. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5, the 6 to 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Here also 2 numbers left for this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the third column. No 9 there. 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, I thought I need to be faster than 50 minutes, but well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. And then we give this a 2 stars. And we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.